Hey everyone, this is Ed, and today I just wanted to take a moment and show you just how easy it is to build a free website using the Wealthy Affiliate website builder. So here you can see I'm on my dashboard, Wealthy Affiliate, and if I go to websites and click on that, click on Site Manager, and just to show you how, there's a couple of steps. I'm going to put this little timer on and hit that. I'm going to choose free domain. So that's the first step. Second step, I'm going to give a name to my website. So in this instance, I was playing around with the name. I like road cycling, so I'm going to use roadcyclingjunkie.com. But you'll notice that it has the site rubric extension, and that's because you're using the Wealthy Affiliate domain or a platform to host your website. So it's a free extension, but when you're starting out and you're new, free is good. So I click on that and you'll see that the name is available. So that's a good thing. Go down to step number 3 and you're going to give a title. So I'm going to give this Road Cycling Junkie, and then I'm going to scroll down to the last step and you'll see that there's a whole bunch of themes. You got close to 4,000. The one I like to use is Memebrship. It's clean, it's efficient, it's fast. So choose this theme. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's ready to go. I'm going to click build my website. And it's doing its thing. You know, we're on time. We got a minute. And we're wrapping it up. So it's doing all the behind the scenes, setting it up and everything like that. So now you can see it gives an admin password. I'll just copy that. You got your website URL, and everything is all included to start hosting your website. I'll just go into login now. Here's my dashboard, and just so we can see this real quick, here's your website. All right, so now obviously it doesn't look like a website but once you start building out your header, your footer, you put all your content in, you'll have a fully functioning website. So I hope this helps, and enjoy. Come back again or check out Wealthy Affiliate.